So hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot. So in today's video we are going to check firstly like what are the messages the Divine Masculine wants to convey to you guys, to you Divine Feminines. So I have no clue like what is the energy, so I'm going to decode in this video itself. So yeah, many people are writing comments, that they miss my readings and all of that. I want to tell you guys that I want to do, but I need to get that intuition as well to do. And another thing is that today only Rahu Ketu have changed. Like Rahu transitioned to Aries and Ketu transitioned to Libra. So yeah, it's a very major transit today, and tomorrow Jupiter is transitioning to Pisces, so one of the major transits. So let's check like what is the messages Divine Masculine wants to convey. So he's telling time will tell. I am feeling this as he has many secrets to tell you, or many things he wants to talk it out with you. So he's waiting for a sign from you, could be. Yeah, but how many signs more should the Divine Feminines give? I have no clue. So we have the time will tell, and I want you. Yeah, I'm seeing this as probably you guys are putting up a lot of pictures, or getting a lot of attention, even if you do not have social media. Could be you guys work at a same place or something of that sort, wherein this guy can see that you are wanted by many, and because you are wanted by many, the desire to want you is more. But this guy needs to understand that you are his half soul, so it's not like a competition wherein he can get you. And see this, I'm not man enough for you. So he feels he's not even worthy of you. But I tried to tell many times in my videos that it is not like if given such a chance, we could easily change the Divine Masculine or Divine Feminine, right? But this is a couple chosen by universe. Yeah. So these are like your spiritual man, and you're like your spiritual husband, and like your spiritual wife. Yeah. And I want to hold you in my arms. So this guy wants to be all touchy and lovey-dovey. Yeah. And our love is eternal. So if person is finally understanding that that the love he has for you is he cannot have for anybody else. I'm also feeling one more thing, that your person is unable to even have sex with his like his friends that he has, like your fuck buddies and all of that. Suddenly when I saw this card, I felt that. Yeah. And our love is eternal also, I felt that. I'm feeling to pick like the entire, like to just keep reading all of these cards. Could be that energy tells me that your person wants to tell so many things to you, but he is unable to tell. He needs to figure out, right? See, Twin Flame journey is also about figuring out how you are as a person. Like it is a spiritual growth. Yeah, because for me the triggering point of some things are like how my twin flame can be like this, how my twin flame can be a slave near somebody. These are the triggering points even for me as a Divine Feminine. So I work on those. So like that, even you need to work. Here the Divine Masculine is feeling that how can my twin flame, like the female counterpart, be so independent. If you see in my twin flame journey, I am very independent, like super independent, like I can do anything alone. But on the other hand, my twin flame, he is a very codependent person. Like he needs be it career, be it his decisions, like even if he wants to take a decision, like even if 10 people, like he needs that confirmation that he's going in the right path. Even if me on the other hand, even if 100 people tell me not to do it, but if my willpower and my inner consciousness tells me to do it, I do it. Because even if I fail, even if it's a right or a wrong decision, I am like it is what I have done. So I have that confidence. So your person, I am exactly feeling what this card means here. I'm not man enough for you. This is not in terms of sexuality. See, because twin flames have a crazy sexual bond. So this is in terms of the personality. That's what I'm feeling here. So so this is I love you so much. So yeah, why don't you tell that to you? Yeah, Divine Feminines. I need some more time before I can come to you. How many years? How much time? This guy is least fearsome that this girl will fly away. So yeah, let's pick on the sacred destiny. And yeah, so we have solitude. So someone is in chill mode. Yeah, could be you, divine feminines as well, but I'm picking up here today divine masculine also, like in this chill zone, that relaxing, taking time, figuring out things. But I'm feeling that this is a little bit of past energy, like this guy is doing from New Year. I'm hearing New Year from January. Yeah, he's doing this. Your person is getting clarity, because this guy is going insane, he's going crazy, because the earlier, like the sexual relationships he had, for example, he had 2-3 fuck buddies that he had regularly, but he's unable to do it even with his fuck buddies, because the thought of you is eating up this guy. It will, because you are twin flame. Yeah, that's what I wanted my twin flame to realize this himself, because even if if I tell, I'll be like a stupid fool. So that's why everybody, all of you divine feminines need to give your man this space, but there is a limit. See, I always said that divine feminines can always find love, they can always find soulmates, they can always find another love, but in case of divine masculine, his life is like shattered if divine feminine moves on. I've seen this. Okay, so that's what your person is understanding. He's understanding that you were a blessing all along with the blessings. He's understanding that you were a blessing all along. Yeah, and he's also feeling it was too late. You can see how beautiful is this bird with all of the flowers and all of that. Yeah, so change. So obviously I see this as planetary change, because in the month of April there are huge transits in terms of astrology. Like your Jupiter is changing, your Saturn is changing, Rahu Ketu change, then there is Jupiter and Neptune conjunction, and Neptune is all about your emotions, like your opal stone represents Neptune, so it's a watery planet, right? So, and Jupiter, and anywhere like Jupiter conjuncts it, makes it 10 times bigger, it expands it. So yeah, so that are the major changes. Yeah, so this reminds me of circus, or play areas, right, wherein there is that merry-go-round and all of that. Could be some of you went there, or you maybe visited a park or something. That's what I'm getting here with my intuition. Or I'm also seeing this as a dream. Probably you had a dream wherein you guys were playing like just under the picnic vibes. I'm getting that. Yeah. And wisdom, as I said, your person is getting clarity on many things, that you are the one, you are all along, you were a blessing, and you had spoken truth about many things, but your person didn't realize that. Like I said, he is getting, see, in April such major transits are happening, right? So in terms of memory lighting, many major things this guy is going to realize. And as I said, always Rahu, Ketu and Saturn are all your karmic planets. They teach you life, like they are give you the result of everything from your past lives. So your person is now slowly getting clarity about what is spirituality, what is astrology, what is tarot readings, what is all of this. So because wisdom, see, some of you can also be water signs, because this is clearly a water card. So water signs like your Scorpio, like your Cancer or your Pisces. So yeah, an action, like your person is I see this as two things right here. So first, your person is regretting that he didn't take actions in the past, and he has wasted a lot of time. Yeah, and he's also planning to take, but when, yeah, but when is the question of the divine feminines also. Yeah, because your person understood that all you're looking out for is simplicity, just a simple text or a conversation, or just hi, how are you. Every conversation begins with that. And I told in many of my videos that without a conversation, without a communication, nowhere, nothing can progress. No relationship can, progress. I told in many of my videos. Yeah. And one more card. Leadership. So your person could be handling something. Yeah. Getting the vibes of, could be he owns a business or he runs something. Leadership, I clearly see this as a career card. Yeah. So that's about it. Let's go to light years. Now we'll pick tarot cards. Yeah. So what is the overall energy? Eight of Pentacles. So both of you are busy because Eight of Pentacles is a card of career. And I see both of you here, divine feminines also, divine masculines also. I see in terms of business, I'm hearing business. Yeah, so business or a new project, or both of you are busy, but no matter how much you're busy, you always, twin flame is a bond wherein you always, attract back to each other. You're always finding each other. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, there is a decision to make. There is a decision to make between two things. Yeah, a love or a career. Yeah, this is, did you see the two choices? Like one is pink and one is red. Like there is huge difference. And I always said that, like my soulmate and my twin flame have huge personality difference. Like one is black, one is white. I stick by that, like huge personality difference. So it's a very tough choice. Like who knows, I may leave both and choose somebody else. See, this is very unpredictable. Yeah, but you may have many soulmates, but you'll have only one twin flame, right? It's your other half, like your other part of soul, like your mirror soul. So yeah, so this is a very tough choice, a very tough choice. I'm seeing both of you here. I'm seeing divine feminine also, I'm seeing divine masculine also. See, when you both choose each other is the actual twin flame victory. Yeah, so this is like, it's a test by universe also, like whom will you choose? See, in my case, my twin flame is the one. Even if I'm married to somebody else and I have many children, like I have 2-3 children, I'm still going to say that my twin flame is the one, because it is the truth. So yeah, King of Wands. So someone is very attracted to you, but I'm seeing multiple men here. Not only a divine masculine, even multiple men are very attracted. Some of you can be Leo, so they are there are many men that are attracted to you. Could be you guys got proposed also of lately, you divine feminines. Yeah, but the choice is yours. Yeah, and I'm seeing a few of the fire signs also. Oh my god, so we got a king and a queen continue, like continuously, the two consecutive cards. So this is a pair right here. Some of you could be married. Yeah, some of you can be married, and this is like, what I'm seeing this as, like your person already knows that you are the one. Even your person knows like you are the one. Like could be my divine masculine also knows that I am the one, but this realization didn't happen just like that. This guy had to search like entire is there anybody else like you? Could be your qualities or this and that. But whenever he tried to search, the search always leads back to you. That's what I'm hearing that. And now your person, this is a major realization that happened like of lately. Could be from after my previous reading. That's what I'm feeling. This realization happened that only you are there, like you are the one that that matches all of his qualities or all of the desires. Like if he has a checklist, then everything matches. It is you. Yeah, you divine feminine. And we have 9 of Wands. See, as I said, a choice, like he knows crystal clear it is you. You are the one. Yeah, and the Empress is all about happiness, about a motherhood. It is about your counterpart, like your wife. So a person sees as this is both of your energy. Your divine feminines also feel like this about your man. Even if I didn't get an Emperor here, I'm feeling that. Yeah, there's a lot of love today in the reading. Yeah, strength is, I'm feeling like your divine masculine gathering the courage to contact you, because your person now got clarity that you are not going to contact, or there has been a communication gap, or the communication is very formal. Even that can be a scenario. Yeah, Justice. Some of you are divorced. I just picked up that, because Justice is all about your legal, like your court. Yeah, some of you are divorced probably, and then you met your twin flame, or could be you met your man, other like your soulmate, or whoever. Just don't go by the taglines, okay? If in your heart like that person is your special person. I'm waiting from so many of my readings to share my one of my school friends twin flame journey, but I think okay, today I'm going to tell, but that doesn't happen. So I'm waiting for a sign from the universe to tell that. Yeah, so some of you can be going through a divorce or something to do, because this Justice is followed by the Tower, and the Tower is like a an earthquake movement. Yeah, so something happened. 7 of Pentacles. Some of you can be in real estate, or you guys work in any finance, bank related thing. That's what I picked up here. Yeah, you handle finance probably of a company. Yeah, there's a lot of finance, probably like production or something like that, because this is clear cut card of that. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. See, it's a new project. It's a new project you guys are handling. Yeah, and yeah, you guys want a new beginning. You divine masculines are in so much love and so much awe, like I can feel in this reading. So yeah, I'm feeling to stop here. The reading was very short today, so I'm going to my romance angels. So what I'm feeling here is, like, the major summary of this reading is that your person has a major a realization that there is no one else apart from you for him, that's made for him, like that checklist, like a bucket list, and that matches everything, like emotionally, sexually, and every way, like that bonding. You know that radio, right, wherein you fine tune the frequency. So a person feels like that, but this realization happened very late, like you had been telling from the beginning. See, no matter how much you tell, like for example, I am a tarot reader, I tried, okay, what I tried was like just 1%, but then I left to universe to try to tell him that what am I to him. So like this, you have to give this space, because all these things don't come like that. You need some time. But I'm feeling like your person now knows that you are only the one. Yeah, now even if Aishwarya Rai comes and stands before him, he'll be like, no, my divine feminine is the one. So this much clarity you get during major transits, like your Jupiter. When Jupiter was coming in Aquarius, I said that major things, like divine masculines will realize major things. And to join this, now Saturn is going to come on April 29th, and your person will know like more major things, like your divine masculine. Like it's like your tube light, like the room, like one switch you are lighting the bulb. So it's like that. So this realization needs to come self. Yeah, because the Fool is like a new beginning. It's the first card of the tarot deck. Yeah, so let's pick on this. So chemistry. So I just dropped it. So yeah, so chemistry is all about romance. As I said, your person realizes that he has this bonding only with you. Yeah, and we have true love. See, this is the summary of the reading. Like your person realizes that you are the true love and there is nobody else. Yeah, but will he grab? And your person also knows that you are worth the effort. With the make the effort, you are worth the effort, and is willing to make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So your person also has universe touching, like he's in contact with universe. Could be synchronicities. See, you need not always see. I am like bored of seeing angel numbers. Like already, you feel that presence. That presence of that positive aura, and you feel that presence. So person also started feeling this presence of angels. He even understood that universe always guides back to you, because this is happening because of that soul bond. It's like North Pole, South Pole pull each other, right? So it's like that. So you are this only North Pole in the entire world, and like your divine masculine is the South Pole. Like it's like that. The attraction is there. And flirt. So a person wants to actually, some of you, from your fake accounts, you may be getting naughty messages or something like that. Yeah, check out that, because that's what exactly I felt. So calling in your soulmate, as I said, there is a mix here. Yeah, so somebody can get a message from your soulmate or a call from your soulmate. Yeah, love yourself first. So as I said, you are in this zone, divine feminine. See, I am not in a state to make a decision. See, when I make a decision, I will do it. But as I said, I am dealing with two people who are so apart each other, so apart. It's a very tough choice. Even I'm being a tarot reader, I'm saying this. It's a very tough choice. If this is not, then I'm feeling like this. I'm feeling like that. I don't know what's the movie name in Hindi, but Prema Desam, right? Prema Desam, the Tabu movie. So if you have any idea, please Google that. So I'm feeling like that, wherein she cannot make a choice between two men. Exactly feeling like that. It is hard. It is hard. So that's why, and I'm not in the state to make also, because I want some space. See, I took so much time. Then why not wait a little more, is what I am feeling. See, when I was out of town, see, universe communicates through me through dreams, through probably some signs. Suddenly when I open Instagram and I have a question in my mind, suddenly something pops up. So like this various means universe communicates through me. Communicates to me and through me to you guys. So it communicates to me. Even probably you guys get a lot of dreams which turn out to be true, or when you're looking out for answers, you get those those dreams are a confirmation. Such things happen. So when I was out of town, and I there is where I got this dream. So I got this dream wherein my divine masculine is asking me to propose him, me to tell his our friends. I always told in many of my videos that we both have probably 100 mutual friends probably. So tell all of the mutual friends that I love him. That's why I felt that it's very wrong that only it's a one-sided thing. When he never contacted me, never asked how am I doing and all of that. When he actually watches all of my videos, he follows them and all of that, which I really appreciate. But the direct contact needs to be to me. That's what I'm picking up here, Divine Feminines. You have an issue with this, because I really have an issue with this. If, for example, my soulmate, if he wants to talk to me, he will text me, he will call me. That is how it's a proper relationship. See, nobody need to stop their work, their career and all, right? In 24 hours, nobody can talk 24 hours. So, and it's so easy right now with chatting and social media and all. You can text whenever you're free and all of that. So that's what. So that dream triggered me, that why only I need to do this. Yeah, and then it struck me that universe always, like I told in many of my videos, that universe always halted me from texting him. So now I won't. After I got the dream, this dream was easily 15 days back. 15 days back, yeah, 10 days back, yeah. So this 10 days back I got this dream wherein this guy is conveying this energy that I need to put in this effort. I don't know if it's ego wherein he wants to tell that I was behind him, or what kind of this thing is. I do not understand. Yeah, let me know if you Divine Feminines also resonate in the comments. So this is the thing. Yeah, and I've seen this in many of the twin flame relationships. Yeah, and engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So someone is getting engaged, your person is planning to engage you, trap you so that you don't go anywhere. Yeah, or give you that commitment, put that ring. So yeah. If you like it, then you better put a ring on it. I mean, like Beyonce. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the reading. So let me know what you guys felt. If you have anything to convey to me, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.